Yo, what's going on, my Bike Star family? Hope everyone's blessed, having a blessed day, blessed week, all of the good stuff. Oi, it's another exciting day down the Pit Bikes R Us workshop. Look what I've got in my possession. Woo. This here, guys, is the Rieju mr300cc 2-stroke. Look at this bike. Take this bike in. Serious bit of kit. This is more of an enduro bike. That's why it's got the bigger tank on it. It's got all these mad extras. Comes with wet mode, dry mode. It's got a starter motor. Push to start. Look at that. Sounds a bit mad, but one tap and she was on straight away. Let's not smoke it out in here. Comes with XL rims. What a weapon. Guys, have you ever seen a bike like this? Or furthermore, who's even heard of the make rieju? It's an up and coming make right now. They're just testing these out. Look at that, look. Serious bit of kit. It's even got fans on the radiator. This bike comes with so much electronics, it's unreal. Twin rads. Comes with a mad little clock. Don't know how to work this clock, but it's like just turns on its own every now and then. Weird old thing, innit? Look, it's even got a little little bit there so you can put a spark plug in there or a couple of little tools. It's got holdings, so you know if you're doing a bit of off-roading, you go up a big hill and then you fall off or something, you can just quickly grab your bike so it don't fly down. So yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? But in a minute, guys, I'm going to pull this bike out and I'm going to give this bike a good old test. Let me take it outside and show you what she sounds like. Yeah, I've brought it outside because I don't want to smoke the unit out. Let's start her up. Woo. Yeah, boy. Let's give it a bit of choke. Just let it warm up proper. Can't lie to you guys. Look at the front light. A Gomez replica. I do like the look of it, boys. Needs a good clear out. Alright, so yeah. Guys, I'm gonna take this bike over the marshes in a minute, see what she feels like off-road. So let's go, let's get it. I just got out here, guys. I'm not gonna lie though, just started raining, man. This bike's sick though. Alright, this 300's powerful, man. But the rain's getting on the camera, guys, so I'm gonna do my best. Woo! Oh, she's powerful, boys, I'll tell you that. What a weapon. I do love the sound of a two-stroke, not gonna lie. Alright, let's take her off-roading now, see how she does. Alright, last time I came through here, boy, I crushed my leg. That's a good thing, look, you can hold that there, chuck it around. Look at that, look. Straight through, lovely. Guys, see that electric start makes things so much easier, you know. Oh, she's fast. My helmet come down. What a fun bit of kit. Boy, this track is sick. It's so wet, guys, I can't even go ham. It's so wet out here, I can't even go ham, and I've got it in the wet mode as well. Guys, I'm probably going to go and take this bike back now, it's too wet. I can't really wheelie it in the wet. She's got some weight to her. Well, it's come back to life now. I don't know what was up with this then. Get her back round to the unit in case she cuts out again. Let's give her one last wheelie chop, shall we? yeah, there you go, guys. Just a quick little review, not gonna lie. I do really like this bike, man. The back brake is absolute 30 on it. The rain let us down though, as you can see. All the tyres are wet. It was slippery out there, so I couldn't really do what I wanted to do because it's a powerful bike. It's 300cc, 2-stroke. So you can imagine these wheels are spinning. If I'm deadly honest, I tried it in the wet mode and the dry mode and it didn't feel any different, if I'm honest with you. Magura brakes and clutch, hydraulic clutch. What else has this good old bike got around it? It's got a lot of good things on it, if I'm honest with you guys. I might have to get myself an enduro bike because, you know, just like riding around, just going up hills, a bit of dirt and all that. I'm not gonna lie, it's proper fun. But yeah, the rieju 300cc 2-stroker, very good bike. I'd say, I'm not sure the price, but I'd say if it's, you know, if it's around about the 5-6k mark, definitely worth its money. 9 grand? I don't think so, guys. Gonna be honest. KYB rear shock. It's got loads of good bits on it, if I'm honest with you, boys. Guys, also I forgot to say, but see this bike? This bike is number 16 out of 100. So only 100 of these have been made at the minute. They're still being tested. Mental, isn't it? Look. Put that on there just so you can see properly. Look, number 16 out of 100. It's mental, isn't it? But yeah, rieju, keep it up, man. You're doing good things. We like it. Oi, the only mad thing about it as well is there's no key. This is a road legal enduro bike. Doesn't come with a key, so you're definitely gonna have to buy some sort of key setup. Because imagine you leave this outside the shop. Yeah, look, everything's turned off. Look, you've left it outside the shop. You're getting your eggs, your milk, and your bacon. Someone comes along. All they got to do, look, press that old button, and they're off on your bike. Mental, isn't it? Flash mode and all that gas. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end this one here. Hope you like it. Just a quick little review on this old rieju. Go like, go subscribe, all of the good stuff. Share it with your friend and all that. Catch you in the next one. Peace.